How to reset all settings in Premiere Pro. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can reset all of your preferences settings in Premiere Pro. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing that you want to do is close out Premiere Pro if you have it open. And then what you want to do is press certain keys on your keyboard. So I'm going to show you guys here on my on-screen keyboard. So you are going to press Alt and Escape, Alt and Windows key, or if you're in Mac, you can use Command plus Command key and then the Alt key. And once you press that, you can open up your Premiere Pro from your Windows, or you can just open the application from the menu. Now, once you open the application, you will be asked, a window will pop up asking you that if you want to reset settings or not. So you will get three options there. The first one is to reset all settings. Second one is to keep your preferences, and third one is to move to the preferences folder. So if you want to go ahead and simply reset all of your settings, then you just have to go ahead and click on the first option. And what it does is actually it will reset all of your settings back to its default values, but you don't have to worry. All of your previous projects will be saved and they won't be affected by this settings change. So the projects from now onwards will only then be applied these new settings. So once you have done that, your settings default value will be changed. And if you choose the second option that says select the current preferences, then there won't be any changes and you can use your Premiere Pro normally as you do. So once you do that, that's how you successfully reset all of your settings on Premiere Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.